Hi, I'm Carl Curtis, Manufacturing Director for Wernick Buildings. In 2023 we have some exciting plans. We've recently installed 2 voltage optimizers within our factory and timber mill. This equipment optimizes the incoming energy supply into our factory to match the voltage required by our machinery and equipment. Our offices have been fitted out with LED lighting, which saves us 19,000 kilowatt hours per year, and we optimize usage through light sensors within our busiest areas. Our car park has 6 electric charging points installed, with a further 7 being added in the next 3 months, making it easier than ever for our employees to switch to electric vehicles as we also decarbonise our fleet. Also, as we focus more on self-generation for the factory, our solar panels provide us with over 55,000 kilowatt hours per annum, providing 9% of the overall factory's energy use. I'm confident that with continued improvements like these, we'll reach net zero by 2040.